Yeah, that would be crazy if we would share each 1 feet of a Pardo, each for 1 feet, but it's not about that. I believe just to make him stress on that, what Guillermina said, that it's really for the relationship and the energy that we could live through in the movie and create it. So it's just a big pleasure.
For me, actually, I'm very happy because this movie, I think it's about the family, relationships between all of them, and I think that's the best award we could get as actors in this particular movie.
For me, it's the same because we are very individual and very different, but at the same time we could create like in a team, and to create relationships between family members in a movie. So I'm very proud to get this prize together with this team, because we are a very nice team. It's nice spending time together, actually.
Yeah, that would be crazy if we would share each 1 feet of a Pardo, each for 1 feet, but it's not about that. I believe just to make him stress on that, what Guillermina said, that it's really for the relationship and the energy that we could live through in the movie and create it. So it's just a big pleasure.
And actually, when we started to have team building together, it was first day in summer house where we took cinema. It was my birthday, 40th birthday, and now in a festival it was 41 birthday. So I'm celebrating birthdays with this family.
Ir tas matyt, tiesiog gavosi daug kažkokių organiškų kadrų, kur mes ne visada žinom, ar jau pradėjo, ar pabaigė filmuoti.
You feel like you're in a really big, heavily organized, strict organization, but at the same time it's so laid back and so warm and so good just to be here. Really professional stuff to be here. And the moments when in a movie where, of course, like taking our attention, sitting there, looking, screening, and just paying attention if people catching the moments, and wow, it was so good to feel people laughing all the behind, and just feel the tension when everybody holds the breath, and then the final moment of the movie, the lights go down and these big ovations. I just saw the director sitting here and he was like so happy, like yeah, it's going good. So yeah, it was really warm welcoming.
Mes tikrai susilaukėm daug reakcijų prie žmonių ir gatvėje, ir tas buvo tikrai labai faina, kad žmonės domėjosi, klausė.
I remember the moment when it was opening event, and it was Iran movie, and I was thrilled, I was touched about it, and I said for him, from my heart, all compliments, because he was sitting behind, and it was my 41st birthday, and I said it was pleasure to spend this night with your movie. It is like, it was like really, I wanted to go to celebrate, but I chose this heavy movie and very important theme to talk about. It was like very touchable.
It's a huge thing for Lithuania. Like we were talking that maybe for here in Locarno it's just another one festival, but in Lithuania I think it's first time in history that we got so lucky, like 2 movies in 1 competition and 3 prizes. So it will change everything, I think.
And I hope that new generation will get support from financial part, and they will take attention that new generation is coming and they are creating differently, and it's very important to talk in different kind of language because the world is changing.